Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I got my camera back. I am so excited. They fixed it in store. It only took them a week. As soon as they called me up, I sprinted to the store. I'm like, yes, I'm here. Give me the camera. Very happy about that. I can see everything what is happening and how I'm positioned. First things first, you guys don't mind stuff around me right now because I am trying to figure out where everything will go. I am storing my flowers here. I need to figure out the better way how to store all of my artificial flowers because I have a lot of them. I want to find a local welder to weld me some flower holders, you know, when you put the buckets in and holds like in layers. I hope that makes sense. And a few videos are planned over here, and then I have my frames over there, so I need to figure out a whole bunch of stuff. And anyways, today I decided to get inspired by birthday decorations and mailbox. I actually got a few requests on showing you guys what you can do with mailbox and balloons. So I am excited to do that. All of my balloons came from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. No surprise there. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. And this code is valid for your first purchase only. I got inspired, or I will try to get inspired by this dress that I'm planning to wear. Beautiful color palette, very summery, very bright and happy. So I will try to use similar colors to match my mailbox decor. So you guys, without any further ado, let's go. You guys, before I let you go, I really want to share the skirt that I am wearing right now. I told you in my previous video, I've never had a good experience in buying clothes offline like Amazon and eBay, and I found another great find, very good quality. Look at this skirt, you guys. I am loving it. So pretty, so flowy. It is double lined, so that's awesome, and it's perfect for summer. They have whole bunch of colors and patterns going on at their listing, so I will link this skirt in the description under the video. I hope you will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed. And here is what I pulled out of my drawers to get inspired, and hopefully everything is gonna work. I have a few colors going on here. This is Spring Lilac 5-inch, Pearl Lavender 11 and 16-inch, Caribbean Blue 16, Coral 11, Spring Lilac again, a few other shades of purple, Orbs balloon. I really want to use a 36-inch balloon. I don't know how that's going to work, and I wish I had more light blue colored Orbs balloons, but that's the only balloon that I have so far. And my dress does have a lot of light blue colors, so I don't know if I will be using this. Maybe just I'll use this. So anyways, I will explain everything, and if anything else will be used on top of this, I'll let you know throughout the video. I started by inflating my 11-inch balloons into different sizes, 5-inch to 5 and 36 to 36-inch. I had a little bit of trouble inflating clear balloons. Definitely stretch them before inflating. It will help for sure. Then I paired and clustered all of my balloons together and started on making one of the sections of my balloon garland. I put extra clusters into trash bags for better handling. I tied my pre-made balloon garland to my post with a fishing line, and with extra clusters I started building up my balloon garland. Here I am unpacking really exciting package that I'm about to do a review on. Stay tuned for that. I did add a few glue dots here and there just to make sure balloons will stay very nice and tight together.
attached my bubble balloons with extra fishing line, and to make sure they will stay nice and put on my garland without flopping left to right, I added some glue dots, and it worked very well. With glue dots, again, I attached my single colorful balloons. You guys, add more than one glue dot per balloon. You want your balloons to stay on your garland for a long time. I think I added 3 to 4 glue dots per one single balloon.
This is the next day. Quickly wanted to show you how my balloons look on my mailbox, because I do receive a lot of questions about outdoor balloon garlands. You guys look at my balloons. They look almost perfect. I do see a few balloons deflated. Some of the balloons deflated completely. I heard only one balloon popping. This one got deflated, and this part I kind of tucked it in, but it was like this. So 3 balloons deflated here. There's one deflated over here as well. I mean, here and there balloons deflated, but they didn't pop, and they got absolutely completely matte. So if you want your balloons to last through hot weather, please use Qualitix. Qualitix by far are the best balloons for outdoor balloon garlands. You ask me a lot, and yes, I prefer Qualitix for outdoor balloon garlands. And one more thing, you guys, these bubble balloons, they didn't oxidize. They are as shiny as they were yesterday. Unfortunately, you can't really do anything with oxidation of your balloons. If you bring them outside and it's hot, humid, and sunny, balloons will oxidize. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. You can absolutely use balloon shine. I haven't used the balloon shine yet, but I heard really good things. You just rub it in on your balloons and balloons will stay shiny, so that solution will shine. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope I inspired you to make something like that, similar, maybe even cooler and prettier for your mailbox. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to be there and help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!